If I asked you all to think about insects, what would you think of? Maybe mosquitoes, perhaps those irritating blowflies. Maybe you'd think about crop pests like aphids. Well, chances are you'd think about all the inconvenient bad ones, and you might even be just a little bit disgusted. Well, I can tell you that the good far outweighs the bad when it comes to our six-legged friends, with the vast majority providing so-called ecosystem services, which we humans just couldn't live without. From waste recycling, like breaking down the nutrients in a cowpat, to pollinating many of our favourite food plants, like cacao, the key ingredient in chocolate. Need I say more? The concentration of the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is increasing. Plants use this gas along with sunlight as a food source. Indeed, many studies have shown that under future increased levels of carbon dioxide, many plants grow larger. These bigger plants may, however, at the same time, become less nutritious for the insects which feed on them. Despite the recognized importance of many insects in providing these ecosystem services which we humans all rely on, we still have relatively little idea about how elevated concentrations of carbon dioxide will affect them. The purpose of my PhD research is looking into how elevated concentrations of this carbon dioxide gas will affect insect communities occurring in eucalyptus woodland. A state-of-the-art experimental facility right here in Western Sydney called Free Air Carbon Dioxide Enrichment exposes huge plots of the forest to the concentrations of carbon dioxide we expect to see by the middle of this century. And this is carried out by huge pipe systems running through the forest, pumping carbon dioxide gas through the canopy. We collected over 80,000 insects from plots under both current and future levels of carbon dioxide and identified them. We also sorted them in terms of what they eat, those which eat mainly plants or those which eat mainly other insects, to get a feel for how elevated concentrations of carbon dioxide gas might affect ecosystem services in the future. Overall, we found that there were significantly fewer bugs under future levels of carbon dioxide. This was particularly true for those which eat mainly plants, as well as certain kind of wasps which attack other insects. And so it would seem that bugs may bear the cost of elevated carbon dioxide in terms of reduced abundance. However, we humans could also stand to lose out through losses in nutrient cycling and pest control as emissions of this gas continue. Thank you.